I got a box. Look at this stuff. Shooting star, sending me things. Thank you, Shooting Star. So what did we get today? We ordered the Ares2. We got the Ares2 Altimeter from L&B. We're gonna unbox that thing today. That's what we're gonna do. So let's get down to it. I'm sure this is gonna be really easy. Batteries installed, hand mount, LME 2, LME 4, LME 2. Look at that stuff. Look at it. Oh, that's so pretty. I had to go get the Viso 2, just Viso 2 Plus for comparison for screen size, because apparently the screen size is bigger, and it totally is. It actually dwarfs this little guy. The sizing is really not that much bigger in the long run. It's pretty close to the same size, so I don't think you're going to notice a lot of extra bulk on your wrist. But that screen size, though, is also most definitely made out of this metal. The metal feels way more sturdy than this guy. It feels like a tool now. Glass versus plastic. Hopefully she doesn't scratch as easy. Inside the box, you get a thing, and then that's cool. Look at that. It's a pouch. What's inside? Tell me what's inside. Wrist. Guy, so if you're one of those guys that likes it on your hand, I am not. I do not like these. Just my personal preference, but you know, I dig the pouch though. This makes me super happy. Yeah, that's it. That's the box. One of these little guys and a patch. Oh, patches for people that like patches. And pull-up cords, and then a manual roadmap guide to tell you how to flick all the buttons on it and what they do. And I'll do a setup video to kind of walk you through how to basically get this guy set up. That'll be the next video that I'll pump out. That'll be out on Wednesday. Just so if you get one and you don't know how to do all the fancy stuff, because it is like a foreign code on these guys, so I'll walk you through how to do that. But that is the L&B tactical Ares. Yeah, I'm gonna just call it Ares because it's Ares. So that's the Ares2 Altimeter from L&B. You can get it if you go to Shooting Star. I'll try and put a link below. Thanks for watching the video. Lots more skydiving stuff coming, and go click this little subscribe guy, and we'll see you in the next one.